Hello students. So now today we are going to start with a new grammar topic, that is sentence. You might know what is sentence because you've already learned in class first, second, third, fourth and so on, right? So let's see in brief what is sentence. Now, what is a sentence? Sentence क्या होता है? It is a group of words which makes complete sense is known as sentence. Right? It is a group of words which makes complete sense. Like suppose if I say blue sky is the, does it make any sense? No. But if I say the sky is blue, then that is a complete sentence. When we want to express a complete thought by making it in complete sense is known as sentence. Now, we use words to form meaningful sentences. We use words to form meaningful sentences. Example, I had a cup of tea. My son lives in Delhi. Please do it now. So all these sentences are making a meaning, are saying meaningful statements. So these sentences are meaningful. The above group of words certainly make complete sense. These sentences are making complete sense. These words express a complete thought. These words express complete thought. When a group of words is put in order and makes complete sense, we call it as a sentence, right? Such group of words must have a subject and a predicate. You all know what is subject and predicate. So each and every sentence will have a subject as well as predicate. Now, next is kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentences are there? There are four kinds of sentence. First, declarative sentence. Second, imperative sentence. Third, interrogative sentence. And fourth is exclamatory sentence. So these all are the kinds of sentences. Now let's see in brief what is declarative sentence. It is a sentence that makes a statement. Those sentences which make a statement is known as declarative sentence. Declarative sentence are those which tells us something. What? They tells us something about someone or something. It ends with a full stop. Example, Piyush plays football. You can see the picture here that Piyush is playing football. So Piyush plays football is it is telling us about Piyush. Next, she went to the city. Miss Kriti decided to walk. So all these sentences are telling us about something. So these are known as declarative sentence. Next is imperative sentence. It is a sentence that gives a command or makes a request. Those sentences which gives us a command or which makes a request is known as imperative sentence. And this type of sentences also ends with a full stop. Right? Example, catch the leopard, do not open the door. All these sentences are giving us command. What is the difference between imperative and declarative sentence? In declarative sentence, those statements tells us about something, but in imperative sentence, it tells us to do something. Such type of sentences are known as imperative sentence. Next is interrogative sentence. Now, what is interrogation? Interrogation means to ask question. A sentence that asks a question is known as interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. You can see a big question mark here. So all these sentences, all the interrogative sentence will end with a question mark. Example, where are you going? Where do you live? Who is that? Interrogative sentence is the those sentences which ask us something. So these are interrogative sentence. Next, last type is exclamatory sentence. It is a sentence that expresses strong feeling like joy, excitement and anger. Those sentences which expresses strong feeling like joy, excitement and anger are known as exclamatory sentence. And it ends with an exclamatory mark, right? It ends with an exclamatory mark. Example, what a lovely animal. May God bless you. What a big loss. So all these sentences are expressing strong feeling. That's why they are known as exclamatory sentence. Next, what are the important points to be remembered? Now, what we have studied till far. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is known as sentence. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. Each and every sentence will begin with a capital letter. Whenever we will start a new sentence, uh, every sentence with their initial letter, the initial letter of that will be in capital letter. A full stop is used at the end of every declarative or imperative sentence. Where we will use full stop? We will use full stop at the end of every declarative as well as imperative sentence. A question mark is used at the end of every interrogative sentence, and we will use question mark in all the interrogative sentences. An exclamation mark is used at the end of every exclamatory sentence. An exclamation mark will be used at the end of every exclamatory sentence. So these are the important key points to be remembered while determining which type of sentence is there. So I hope you have understood what is sentence and its types.